In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert Ethereum to PayPal, in which there's a variety of application and platform that we can use, but at this point, we're going to use boomchange.com, and all you need to do from here is simply enter here or choose this use send button to Ethereum. And under you get section, kindly select here or search PayPal. And after that, just simply enter here the amount of Ethereum that you want to transfer or convert, for example, to Ethereum, and it will show you below the amount of PayPal. Then click exchange button to proceed. And from here, it will show you that you need to simply enter here your PayPal email address and click the continue button to proceed. And from here, just check these boxes indicate that you agree to the terms of use and click the confirm button right here. And after that, you will automatically be directed on this page, and it will show you the instruction that you need to send to Ethereum to this wallet address in here. So you can simply copy this one using your crypto wallet, and after that, just click this button I have paid to process it. And after successfully sending it, you will receive this amount of PayPal USD in your PayPal account. And that is just how you can start converting Ethereum to PayPal.